Trust me, after watching this video, your Indomie game will change forever. I'm about to show you the easiest tricks and tips to make the perfect instant noodles. Let's start cooking. Into a pot on fire, you want to go in with some water. Now let's add some powdered pepper as you can see in this video, and then you add in some soy sauce just like this, and then we have to introduce some oyster sauce as well. This is going to build up a lot of flavor and then color and will make just everything perfect and will taste great. Mix it together and make sure you have a very uniform consistency or uniform mixture. Now put in your Indomie noodles like this, and then you want to add the oil from the Indomie pack, and the next thing to do is to flip this over for the other side to also cook, because the water here is not really covering everything, so you want to flip it over. However, if you want your water to cover it, just do that, but I prefer to do it this way. It helps me a lot and it makes everything comes out the way I want it. Now I'm going to cover this and I'll allow it to cook. Hi and welcome back to another video. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are again welcome back to another video. Make sure you watch this video to the very end, because I believe you will learn a thing or two from me right on this channel. I would see you on the other side. After a few minutes of cooking, we want to open this and then we stir again to flip it over so the other side can cook as well. I realized I needed some time more to cook this, so I covered again and I'm going ahead to check on it for the last time. And at this stage, it's just done. You can see everything just looks good, as you see. Now we strain the water, and then this is what we have right here. We are going to set this aside and we start to work on our vegetables. So I'm using some carrots, green bell peppers, spring onions, and some onions as well. So these are the vegetables available to me. However, if you have any other ones, just go ahead and add them if you like them. Now into a pan on the fire, the same pan, okay? You will just introduce some oil, and then we just beat some eggs. Make sure you add a little salt to your egg and then beat it so that it will come together with everything. We are going to allow this to fry. Do not go ahead and just crumble this egg. Just allow it to fry for some time before you flip it over, and make sure you start to cut them into smaller pieces just as you see in this video. If you do it this way, your eggs will still be visible in your Indomie noodles. However, if you start scrambling it right away, they are going to be in pieces, and then they'll just get missing in your food. So I prefer to do it this way. At this stage, you can either take this and set it aside, or you want to push this to one side and then you introduce some sausages. Yes. If you have any beef of your choice you want to use, make sure you have steamed it already, and then you just cut them into small chunks, and then you add a little oil to the side, and then you just stir fry this in the same pot just as you see right here. You can do the same for your chicken as well, but in this video I'm using sausages. So I'm going to fry these for some time, and then what I'll do is that I'll bring everything after I fry the sausages for quite a few minutes. I'll just bring everything together so they can all fry together, and I'll just help to adjust the taste by adding some of the instant noodles spice, okay, seasoning. I'll just introduce a little to build up some taste and flavor. I don't want it to taste different from the Indomie, so I just do it this way, and I'm going to stir this and make sure that everything just comes together. In case you want to add more proteins to what you see here, just go ahead and do what suits your preference. Now I'll introduce my vegetables, and I'm just adding everything all together. The onions, the carrots, the green bell peppers. And yeah, that's it for now. And I'll mix these and make sure that everything just comes together. They'll also cook for a few minutes, and I'll introduce my Indomie. So these are Indomie right here, and we'll introduce that. So I want you to mix these. Make sure you don't break it into smaller pieces. Just take your time to mix it very well. Everything will just come together, and you can see that my Indomie is a bit dry, and that's because I like it this way. However, if you want yours to be moist, then you might want to cook this for a longer duration before you take it out. I also introduced some of the seasoning at this stage. I added my spring onions for some extra crunchiness, and then I mixed everything together. So I prefer my Indomie to be this way. You can see it's dry, it's not very moist, and this is budget friendly. If you've been with me to this very stage, then you should leave me this red heart emoji right here in the comment section so I know you've been with me throughout this process. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share to your friends and loved ones, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.